you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in bright white. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, bright side roof rails, LED tail lamps, dual side exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5870.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.